and welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 7. Today we're going to be talking about subtracting across zeros. Now, this is sometimes pretty tricky, so I thought this was a kind of a neat little way to do it here. Kind of tells you step by step. So here we were having 500 minus 216. And I can't do 0 minus 6. And when I go next door, there's nothing. The tens place has nothing. So I have to go all the way over to the hundreds place, ungroup the hundreds. So now I have 4 hundreds and 10 tens. That didn't help me with 0 minus 6 in my ones place, though. So then what I have to do now that the tens place has some, I can go to the tens place and say, hey, tens place, can I take one? They say, sure. This is actually over here in this step, but they say sure, and so now I have 10 ones. So it's like double ungrouping. Kind of tricky, but we'll practice it, and then you'll be pros. So let's get started. All right, so example 1 here says a large box of watermelons weighs 300 pounds. A smaller box weighs 134 pounds. What is the difference in the weight of the two boxes? Okay, so we need to do 300 minus 134. So if I'm going to estimate, 300 is 300, right? Already easy to work with. 134 is about 100, so we'd say 300 minus 100. Our answer should be about 200. Okay, so here we go. First step, regroup. 0 minus 4, I can't do it. When I go next door, I got nothing in the tens. So I have to go all the way over to the hundreds and say hundreds. I need one. So they have 2 hundreds and 10 tens. So ready, this is what it would look like. We took away 100 and broke it apart, and made 10 tens. Okay. Now we need to regroup once more and then subtract by placing an X on the blocks. Okay. So I'm regrouping a 10, I'm splitting a 10 apart and making 10 ones. So now I have 10 ones. Okay, 10 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 6. I have 9 tens here, so I'm going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 minus 3 is also 6. And then I have 2 hundreds minus 100, so I'll take away 100. And I have 100 left. So I get 166 pounds is the difference. There's that subtracting word right there, difference. And it is 166 pounds. So we are going to use addition, because addition is the opposite of subtraction. So we can use addition to check. So my answer of 166 is going to go up to the top, and I'm going to add. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 1 plus 3 is 10. And 3 ones, 3 hundreds. So 300 is going to be my answer, and that is where I started off. So addition shows the answer is correct. Through 166 is close to the estimate of 200. So estimation shows the answer is reasonable. We checked our answer with addition. That showed our answer is reasonable. So 166 pounds is the difference. The unknown is 166 pounds. Wonderful. All right, use what you have learned about regrouping 2 times to regroup 3 times. Oh no. Just kidding. It'll be great. So here we go. School bought music equipment for $5,004. The drums cost $2,815. How much money was spent on the other music equipment? So I kind of would like to do a bar diagram here. Okay, so we know that the whole amount of money they have is $5,004. We know that part of it, the $2,815, was spent on drums, and what was the other's cost is there. So now I know I need to subtract. But 5,004 is about 5,000, and 2,815 is about 2,800. So if I look at that, I could say, well, I need to add 200 to get to 3,000, and then I need to add 2 more thousand to get to 5,000. So about 2,200 should be my estimate. All right, here we go. This is going to be a doozy. 4 minus 5. I can't do it. And next door has nothing. Next door has nothing. Now I have to go all the way to the thousands place. Cross off the thousands place. Now I have 4. I'm going to use a different color because I don't like that I'm using this. Now I have 4 thousands and 10 hundreds. Okay. Now I can cross off my 10 hundreds and I have 9 hundreds and 10 tens. Okay. Now I can cross off my 10 tens and have 9 tens and 14 ones. Now I can subtract everything. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 2,189. Okay. Well, there we have it. I don't know. Start subtracting at the ones place. We already did that over here. Okay, so we got 2,189. Is that about 2,200? Yeah, it's really close, isn't it? So we're going to write our answer, our difference, up at the top, 2,189, and add to check. 9 plus 5 is 14. 8 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 again is 10. And I've got 2 thousands plus 1 more thousand is 5,004. So addition shows us the answer is correct. Estimation shows us the answer is reasonable. So we know that 5,004 minus 2,815 is 2,189. That means they spent $2,189 on the other instruments, other music equipment. Okay, here we say it says subtract. Use addition to check. Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2. 0 minus 5. Can't do it. Go next door and get 10 more. I had 0 tens, so now I have 10 and only 2 hundreds. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now when we check our addition, our answer goes on top, 252 plus our middle number, 57. And we should get our top number. Okay, let's see. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 and 5 makes 10. 2 and 1 makes 3. 309. Do they match? Yes, they do. We got it right. Okay, let's do another subtraction problem here. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 minus 3, can't do it. And look at next door. They've got nothing to give either. So we have to go all the way over to the thousands place. Now they've got 1,000 and we're trading them for 10 hundreds. Okay, but that didn't help me. So now I'm going to go over to the hundreds place. Now that they've got 10, I can take 1. So now they've got 9 hundreds and I've got 10 tens. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now let's check. 1,470. 1,470 plus, middle number here, 536. Okay, let's add. 0 plus 6 is 6. 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 1 more is 10. And 1 and 1 makes 2. 2006 and 2006. Check. All right. That's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you let me know if you have any questions. Bye.